In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Hostinger VPS in just 5 minutes, whether you're a seasoned web developer or a beginner taking your first steps into managing a virtual private server. This guide will make it straightforward and uncomplicated for you. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to visit the primary website for Hostinger. You can access it by entering hostinger.com into your web browser or simply searching for Hostinger online. Hostinger is a popular platform known for making it easy to bring your ideas online by offering a range of services including web hosting and VPS hosting that cater to both individuals and businesses. Now, once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll need to locate the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. A quick click on this button will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you might need to sign up first. Make sure your login details are handy, as you'll need them to proceed to the next step. Upon logging in, navigate your way to the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all of your services with Hostinger. The great thing about H panel is its user-friendly layout, which is designed to make navigation as seamless as possible for users of all experience levels. Once in the H panel, look for the VPS tab. This is where you need to be to access your virtual private server setup options. The VPS tab is typically included in your menu or main dashboard options, and it should be clearly labeled so that you can find it without too much fuss. Give it a click to proceed to the next stage. Within the VPS section of the H panel, you'll find a Setup option. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of configuring your VPS, allowing you to install and customize your server according to your specific needs. Clicking on Setup will walk you through a series of configurations, such as choosing your server's operating system and setting server credentials. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully and take your time to consider your choices, as they will affect how your server performs. And there you have it, a streamlined process for accessing your Hostinger VPS. By following these steps, you've now entered the essential starting point for managing your server, setting the stage for whatever projects you plan to undertake. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy hosting, and see you in the next video.